Well, this is the last part of the stereo system. This is the part that requires me cut and hole in the cab. You know, true race car stuff. You gotta cut holes in cabs. Alright. Now we can open it. Okay.
evl-10.
evl-10 dual 2 ohm. So we're going to be seeing this 10. To say, these are known to be able to go well over their power rating, so it should be okay on our JP23.
56 pounds.
That speaker's probably 40 of it.
Yeah. No bye.
Alright, we got some more. It looks far less bad seeing it in here. This box weighs 22.7 pounds. Dang, my estimate's gonna be 5,000 pounds. It's gonna be heavier than a CTS wagon.
That is a really small box.
Yeah. Well, that's why I got it, because it was small, but it's still big compared to the amount of room I got. Nothing else in there. Okay.
That's lighter than the speaker.
This is the Armor series, which might be what I do to make my amp rack. Basically, it's 3/4 MDF coated in bed liner. Makes it waterproof. And since this is going to be hanging halfway through the bed,
here we go.
That's the way to go.
Yeah, sticker.
Dude, that's cool. That looks cool. Got a stinker.
Ooh.
Yeah. Looks really cool.
Alright, let's
Definitely black. Yeah, flip it all over. Tuck that ear. Lift the whole box.
Oh yeah.
Lift the whole box. There you go.
There we go.
Now you lift off the box. Let the weight take the box out. Man, that's a beautiful box. They do really good work.
There you go, ported
Curve
one.
port,
And it already has
foam
water.
filled. We're gonna change that out. That's not gonna hold enough power. Puny wire. Psh. Yeah, so this box, what we can do is I can mount the bottom to the square tubing, and I'll drill 2 mounting holes through the square with like a U square. Go straight through the box. That will hold it from moving forward and backward on launches. And then I can even do something in the cab on the metal to keep the box from changing the angle once it's mounted. But yeah, this thing's pretty awesome. It's got the rounded, see how that's rounded? Going back to the curve port. Got pre-wired wiring. We'll go ahead and take care of that now. What'd they do? Solder that?
What? I soldered it in there?
I don't know. I need my light. Got no light. But it's got a little bit of polyfill. box is supposed to be tuned to 39 hertz. Should work really well with that evl-10. You didn't want to open that on the camera?
No, I was gonna put it in the box.
That's a tall 10. Look at that thing. 2,000 watt RMS, or 2,000 watt peak, 1,000 watt RMS rated. And it's a cheap sub. But you know what? It's a freaking twin turbo S10 street truck. It doesn't have to have the best of the best.
Just like mine. It's real stiff.
Yeah, it's like a rock. With that stuff on there, it's going to be tight. Let's see. And I gotta decide which way I want.
Yeah. The port to go.
Yeah. But you get the idea. Pretty gangster. It looks so good with all the black. And my carpet on my S10 is all black. Even the back wall, the whole back wall's black. So this is going to look really good. All black. Fed by some monster purple. Yeah, this box is cool. Set this on its side if it will stay. You won't be able to read this in the truck, because this is actually going to be like dead half inside, and this half will be on the outside, and then this will all have sealant around it all the way around. We'll have to do something tricky how this inlays. Got to do something to seal that.
Yeah.
Maybe I'll just get some like thick weather stripping foam.
That'll work.
It's not like it really gets wet. It's a race car. It doesn't really sit out in the rain.
I mean, this is already pretty waterproof, but you want the cab to be waterproof.
Okay, that thing's gonna hit hard. 3,000 watt. Peaked out. 2,000 watt with no problem. 2,000 watt in that S10 is still going to hit hard in a single cab. And you're sitting on an aluminum seat too, in the driver's seat. So it's going to vibrate. It's going to be crazy.
It's going to flex the seat.
Hello in there. It's going to look cool.
Awesome.
Yeah, now we got to go cut a hole. But at least we got this part. Now we can do the hole through the cab and get it mounted. And then we can take care of making an amp rack and then start all the wiring. Every wire in the truck's got to get changed.
Yep.
Doors, 6x9s, tweeters, to the wire to the radio. Everything's getting different. I might even change the radio. I ain't sure yet. But there you go, man. The Skar Armor Series 10-inch single box.
And then evl-10.
Yep, and an evl-10. Evil. Looks good. I'm digging that all black.
It's gonna look good in the truck.
Got to make sure my seat's far enough off of this thing so it can move.
Just depends on where you put it in the hole.
Yeah.
Because you'll have adjustability where you want it.
Yeah. I'm gonna put it as far back as it will go.
Yeah.
I
So
want,
basically,
I'd love it if this
possible
section
with
would
the cage.
sit out the back, and then when you saw it in the truck, it'd be like that.
Yeah.
But I don't think I can get it to go that far back. I've only got like 6 or 7 inches. It really depended on how the angle is to the roll cage tubing, because that's what it's going to end up hitting in the back. It's going to hit the roll cage. But that's all I could fit.
Yep.
Cool. Stay tuned. It's going to get really cool really quick.